Willie Jenkins the name. Painter extraordinaire is the game. I've been from Russia, Afghanistan, did one stint in Vietnam, painting all kinds of stuff. Once did one for Al Qaeda. We won't talk about that. Since the war, I've been painting out in the sticks, Louisiana. I found myself up in about the Waco Permanent District Basin area. I'm the best damn painter this side of the Pecos River. You better bet your bet on dollar. Let's get some paint on this baby. 3 coats of Onyx Black underneath that red cherry. Boys, won't get much better. Let's get to work. Been a good 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take some of this tape off. Now I don't advise taking all of it off, because you still gotta clear some crap. But you wanna see what it looks like underneath there. So it ain't perfect.